So the starting point of STAMP is that in a DevOps context, software developers write test cases, and they write test cases that can run automatically. The other starting point is that these test cases are good, but they could be better, and we can improve them automatically. So what do we need? We need two things. We need one thing to assess the quality of existing test cases. We need to test the tests somehow. And the other thing we need are tools to automatically improve those existing test cases. So to test the test, we have developed a new technology which is called extreme mutation, which can tell which tests are not good enough, and in particular which tests are not strong enough at detecting some behavioral change that we insert on purpose, which are called mutations. And the second thing we have done is that we have developed tools that can take an existing test suite, where some of them are identified as a little bit weak, and our tools can automatically improve those existing test cases and make them stronger, in particular with respect to extreme transformations. So the first thing is collaboration. STAMP was a research project in collaboration between 3 research teams focusing on software engineering and software testing, and 5 companies in France, Italy, and Spain, as well as OW2 for dissemination and exploitation. I believe that one of the success of the STAMP project is the genuine collaboration that we've had between the different actors who have all actively contributed in building, testing, assessing, and improving novel software technology for software testing and DevOps. The second aspect is about science. In order to perform test amplification, we had to address very difficult challenges in order to develop scalable static and dynamic analysis as well as code transformation techniques that would take existing test assets and make them even better through automatic analysis and transformation. And the third aspect is about software technology, and in particular the fact that we have built software technology which is used by actors outside the project even before the end of the project, which is both a sign of the relevance of the software technology as well as its maturity. One key decision that we took very early in the project was to develop everything as open source software. Open source software has been key for 2 things. The first thing is that it's a true enabler for collaborative innovation, and so because it was open source, all the actors from academia and from industry could contribute to the same code base and develop it and improve it very efficiently. And the second key aspect of open source is that it also enables very rapid dissemination. The code was there, and as soon as it has been sufficiently mature, we could disseminate it through industry conferences, through papers, and through talks in different companies, and the actors could immediately try and test it.